Aluma minglava, dinima collocation tega, collocation tega, collocation the bogo a to Biandima PG Jaya. Collocation go Kiro me solution, Sabai go, Sason Payabame, Ekajamare, Nale Bide Ekajaro, Be Apilio Teamale, Zurago, Timali go, Sindalo Yama Kebai. So yes, Sapalaya, Andali skim and scan in logi like the Kama to the standard English, non-standard language, every example Biora Pime, so Sapaji Lime. At the beginning of the 21st century, the relationship between standard and non-standard language is evidently still an uncertain one. We are at a blank point between two eras. So, Edima at a blank point to Biotare, era Nakuye, who Jama bono. So, bar point him. A so that Kajaro initial year, evolutionary garo, Mapina no. Midway ne transition and Nakube Jamis or Nakuye or era Nakuye Jama located at Jamulu transition ega will be Tinayare midway ajaro alleged de Pini no midway points around a machine or transitionally or you like. We seem to be living an era when the rules of standard English as selected and defined by prescriptive grammarians totally condition our sense of blank usage. So that all our usages and varieties were considered to be inferior or corrupt and excluded from serious consideration. So in Dinalima usage, sense of blank usage, so that Teka Nijuyame, Papimele, Tuga adjective Tibumiame, no adjective Tibumiame, so no Apoka Nakuaro, Mapina no, so into acceptable Pime. So that all the other usages and variety was considered to be inferior or corrupt acceptable usually. And we seem to be approaching an era when non-standard usage and variety previously denigrated or ignored are achieving a new presence and respectability with society, reminiscences of that found in Middle English when dialect variation in literature was widespread and uncontentious. But we are not there yet. So the transition as we seem to be living an era. We seem to be approaching an era or living approaching but we are not there yet. Transition so the transition as the rise of standard English has resulted in a confrontation between the standard and non-standard dimensions of the language, which has lasted for over 200 years. And this has had traumatic length, which will take some years to eliminate. So traumatic adjectives are now latent. They hardly permanent. Which will take some years to eliminate your more consequences. Eliminate consequences like that. Once people have been giving an inferiority complex about the way they speak or blank, they find it difficult to shake off. So the Dimaga only cantare, Shiga Bablica speak. Bab base for meeting so you know, honest satire, so me, and now call a bab base for meeting, right near communicating alone she, every tema, rightly would be like me. So ye confirm low like me. Okay, a play along and Davari, Jesu de Mare.